don't know about you, but I don't listen to them. Let's not go there. So, brand spanking new Hyundai Sonata. And we are taking apart the center console, and we'll show you how to remove it just like this. So we got this whole thing removed so we can hide gnomes and trolls. And there is your ABS module. As far as I know, usually that's what they are, especially if they're yellow. So, let's start with putting it back. I'll show you how to do it. Alright, number one, door off. Just pulls right off. Number two, door off. Pulls right off. Pull on it. With your hands, your tools. Now, I don't think you had to take this off, but I did anyway, because it does not have to actually get removed. But I did anyway because to see if there's any bolts down here. There is, but it's not for this. All right. Now, 10 mil underneath this little cover. Not even a cover, it's a piece of felt. That's all it is. Alright, there's another screw right here. Another screw on this side. That is my bad. I forgot about those. Another one there. Phillips head. There you go. I moved the seat upward. Just move the seat up. This one, I was able to get through this one, but if you want to move the seat up, I'm sitting in it right now, so I can't do that. So I use this puppy, this 90 degrees, to get it to here while I'm sitting in it. But move the seat up. It's just too hot. It's Saturday, 3 o'clock, and it's just too hot. Now, underneath here, with a little indent that I use this guy. All right, that popped this guy up, 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 and there's enough slack. Look how much slack this is. I just put it aside. Yes, you want to unplug it, go right ahead. Do not do this with the car running. The car is running. Do not do that. I didn't do it. This is for demonstration purposes only. Now, 2 more screws that look like 8 mils. I'm sorry, 10 mils. That's these guys. And then 2 more right there. 1 and 2. And the whole thing lifts up and back at you. See? Comes with. Now pull, as I'm pulling here, the whole thing will just get popped out. And there's the whole rest of it. So you can remove this guy out of the way to pull the rest of it out so you can get the whole thing out in your hands. So, with that being said, we're going to remove those as well. But that is for after this. It's a separate video. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share. It'll pop right back in. Right? Put the screws back. Put the 2 screws back. Put the 2 10 mils back over here. And she's back to solid. So, there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.